Now you can also buy our favorite toys from www.puntunkids.com. Link is in the description.
Chinky's new talent. Gattu and Chinky were studying in the living room. They had a maths test the next day. So Goody, Hari and Bunty also came to Gattu and Chinky's home to study together.
Friends, I don't understand these maths questions where I need to do multiplication. You are right, Hari. I am also not getting these questions and we have a test tomorrow. I am also getting the wrong answer to these questions no matter how many times I try. If this happens, we won't get good marks. What should we do? You guys sit and talk. I will go and get some snacks for you. Maybe eating something will fuel our brain power.
Everyone laughed at Gattu's joke. That is when Gattu looked at Chinky. Chinky was so engrossed in solving all the questions that she was not paying attention to a word of what they were saying.
Chinky, what are you busy with? What? Me? I was just solving these questions, Goody. Why? What happened? Chinky, did you not have any problem while solving these maths questions? No, Gattu. I find it very interesting to solve these questions. That's why I did not listen to what you were saying. You find it interesting? How is that possible? Chinky, can you please tell me how do you manage to solve these questions? Yes, Chinky. I also want to know it. How to do these additional problems. And tell me about the questions where I need to multiply. I am getting wrong answers every time. What? Do you want me to teach you the maths? Yes, Chinky, why not? In fact, I have a better idea. Let's play teacher-teacher game. In this game, Chinky will be acting as our teacher and we all will be her students. This will be a lot of fun. And along with that, we will complete our studies. Wow, nice idea. Your idea sounds like fun, Gattu. And in this game, first I will teach you the questions and then I will take your test too. I will also check your notebooks. In this way, you will be fully ready for the test.
All the kids liked this idea very much. Chinky went inside their room and returned with a chair. On that chair, Chinky arranged a whiteboard. Then she took a marker and stick in her hand, wore glasses, and she was ready to be a teacher.
Very nice, Chinky. You are looking like a real teacher. Thank you, Goody. Okay, now remember, I am not Chinky anymore. What? If you are not Chinky, then who are you, Chinky? Come on, Hari. Now I am your teacher. You should call me ma'am, okay? Okay, ma'am. Alright, children. Today, first we are going to learn how to do addition. This is very easy to do.
Chinky wrote questions on the board with a marker and solved them while explaining to everyone how to do it.
Very good, Chinky. Sorry. I mean, ma'am. Now I understand these questions. I am sure I will be able to do addition questions correctly. Okay, Bunty. Now let's move ahead. Now we will learn how to solve multiplication questions. This is how you do it.
Chinky took time and explained all the questions to them till they got it.
Now I understand everything. And now I find these questions very easy. Yes, me too. I think we all will be able to score good marks in tomorrow's test. Children, wait for a minute. Now I am going to take a test. You have to solve all the questions that I have explained to you just by yourself. If you get full marks in today's test, then I'm sure you will get full marks tomorrow also. Alright, ma'am, we are ready for it.
Chinky wrote some questions on the board and the children started solving them. This time they had no confusion while solving the questions, and within a few minutes they solved it.
Finished, ma'am? I have finished too. Yes, Bunty and I have finished too. Wow, children, very good. Give me your books. I will check your answers.
Chinky checked their answers and she was very happy.
Very good. You have managed to solve all the questions correctly, and so all of you got full marks. Now, let's eat the sandwiches that Mummy has prepared for us. We are all ready for tomorrow's test.
Then they went into the kitchen where Mummy had already prepared lots of yummy sandwiches and kept them on the dining table.
Kids, have you finished your studies? Now enjoy these and take a rest. You have worked hard today for the test. Yes, Mummy, we did. Auntie, these sandwiches are very tasty. Really delicious. Thank you, dear.
Then they enjoyed the sandwiches and went to their home after finishing it. The next day, before the maths test started, Goody went to Chinky.
Chinky, the test is about to start and I don't know how to solve this question. I have been trying to solve this one since last night, but I couldn't do it. What? There are only a few minutes to the test. Okay, Goody, give. I will try to explain to you quickly.
Chinky explained the question to Goody before the exam started. Just then, the bell rang and all the kids started entering the classroom for the test.
Thank you, Chinky. I think I will be able to solve this question now. You're welcome, Goody. Let's go to the class. It's time to take the test.
After the test was over, in the evening, all the friends of Gattu and Chinky along with Goody came to their house to thank Chinky.
Chinky, ma'am, you taught us so well that we all got full marks on the test. So we have made this thank you card to show our gratitude. Please take this. Yes, Chinky, this card is for the world's best teacher. You are really very talented. You remember the question you explained to me before the test? That was there in the test. This card is very lovely. Thank you, friends. Chinky, this new talent of yours is really very wonderful. From now on, you should teach us before every test. Like this, we will also be able to score good marks. Of course, Gattu, I will. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.